Are you looking for a simple way to earn extra cash and rewards from the comfort of your home? In this video, discover how you can easily make money by completing a variety of offers and participating in engaging tasks. We'll explore one of the best platforms that pays you for your time and effort. Don't miss out on turning your spare time into profit. Join us now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Turn your spare time into extra cash. It's that simple. Halos Gigi is a cool GPT platform where you can earn rewards just by doing easy online tasks. You can play mobile games, take surveys, or even refer your friends to make some extra cash or snag gift cards, all without leaving your couch. It's free to join, open to everyone around the world, and perfect for anyone wanting to make some money online with little hassle. The main way to make some cash on the site is by diving into offer walls. Just pick an offer wall you like, click on it, and you'll see a bunch of offers waiting for you. Choose one, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. Once you've completed an offer, you'll snag your reward in Halos. Most offers involve fun stuff like playing mobile games, signing up for free trials, installing apps, or doing surveys. From what I've noticed, there are a ton of offers on each wall, so you won't run out of ways to earn anytime soon. You can make some extra cash by doing daily or weekly tasks. They're super easy and don't require anything out of the ordinary. Just stay active on the site, and you'll start racking up rewards in no time. Finally, you can snag some passive rewards with Halos referral program. It's super easy. Just share your referral link with whoever you want to invite to the site. You can cash out your rewards through PayPal or snag a prepaid Visa card. Plus, you've got the option to swap them for gift cards and game skins for popular games like Valorant, Roblox, and Fortnite. The coolest thing about Halos is that it's available everywhere, so you can join as a member no matter where you're at. To get started, just set up your login details. After that, Halos will shoot you a confirmation email. Just click the link in there to finish signing up. Once that's done, you can log into the dashboard and start earning. Imagine being able to earn while you relax, spending just a few minutes on fun tasks, and watching your rewards stack up. Join a vibrant community of users who've transformed their free time into tangible rewards. With Halos, this isn't just a dream, it's your new reality. Don't wait. Sign up for free today and start earning with Halos. Your path to effortless rewards is just a click away. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.